Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use the Lg CordZero A9 vacuum. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is my new Lg CordZero A9 stick vacuum, and I absolutely love it. I just got it, and I just wanted to show you how to use it because I just learned myself. It is so easy to use. There is such a small learning curve that it's only going to take me probably a few minutes to show you how to use it exactly. So let's get right into the step-by-step instructions. I'm going to flip my screen out so I can see exactly what you're seeing, and I'm going to enter onto the frame of the camera view over here. So as you can see, right now it's charging. I have it in freestanding mode, but you can also wall mount it, completely up to you, okay? Now essentially, you can remove it just like that, and there's an extra battery right here. So if you want to swap the batteries, you can just take it out like that, okay? Let's say you run out of power with this battery, you can take it out like that, remove the battery on the unit itself, charge up the battery on the unit that was on the unit, and put in your nice fresh battery, just like that. So you want to swap the battery just like that, it's done. This battery is charging, and as soon as I place this on the freestand, that battery is charging too, okay? Very, very simple. Now, to the actual operation of the unit, very, very easy. There are 3 buttons, okay? Literally, you need to see my face because I'm so impressed with this thing. Literally, there are 3 buttons. It's so easy to understand how to work. This is the power button. It allows you to turn the vacuum on or off. Then you have a minus button, which is used to reduce the power, and a plus button, which is used to increase the power. Now you'll notice on the plus button it says turbo, 3 seconds in brackets. So when you hold down that plus button for 3 seconds, it activates turbo mode. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna turn it on, I'm gonna go higher and lower so you hear the differences, and then I'm gonna activate turbo and you'll hear that baby kick into high gear, okay? So let's turn it on, okay? All right, it's on low mode now. Push the plus to bring it up. High mode, low mode, high mode, okay? Hold it down for 3 seconds and listen. So I'm holding it down, okay? There it is, boom. Turbo mode. This thing is a beast when it comes to suction, especially in the turbo mode. It will reduce your battery life, obviously, but you know, like you can just charge up your battery and you have a spare one anyways. So in my opinion, it's awesome. When you want to empty your canister, you just slide this down, just like that. Boom, empty out the dust. You want to access your filter, you turn this counterclockwise, just like that. There's your filter. You want to put it back on, then you turn it clockwise and lock it in place. You're good to go. Now, when it comes to actually using it in terms of the actual like heads that you can use, I'm going to bring this down over here. So essentially, you can place any of the actual heads or attachments right on here. So I have mine stored right over here. So let's say I wanted to use this attachment right here. I would remove it. And you can see there's a little release mechanism and a little notch on there. So you just line them up, just like that. Done. Boom. Now I can go ahead. I can vacuum everywhere that I need to vacuum. I can patch up that mark that I just left on the wall. I'm just kidding. It's my laundry room. There's marks on the walls everywhere. I don't care about this room, so I'm not going to patch it up. Anyways, really, really, really easy to use. Okay, super duper easy to use. Okay, now let's say that you want to do the floor and you don't want to be leaning over all the way, right? So what you're going to do, you know, remove your attachment, okay, put it back in place over there, and I'll show you what you're going to get. You're going to get the other part right here, which is the long, you know, tubular portion. Okay, line it up like I said before, clicks in place just like that. You also can get one of your brush heads or roller brush heads on the bottom, right? Or you can use one of the attachments like I showed you. But either way, you can sort of mix and match to get the length that you need, okay? You can get the length that you need and the attachment that you need, okay? Really, really easy. So I've covered charging the unit, okay? I covered storing it, I'll show you right now. Storing it, okay? Using the attachments, mix and matching to get the length that you need. Emptying the canister, changing, like looking at the filter, changing the filter, cleaning the filter, whatever you want to do with the filter, using it on different modes, turning it on and off. It's so easy to use. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.